I'm sure he will prove all his critiques and naysayers wrong. He will deliver the best possible government which Andhra should get, and you are all going to be contributing to it. And for the opportunity, I want to thank him on all of your behalf. Thank you very much. Be the best Chief Minister which Andhra has.
By the way, he is well versed with Hindi also. Yeah, what?
I think you can mix Telugu and English.
Today, YSR Congress Party is coming. Then, okay, on one side, okay, we've done Padayatra, everything else, what should be done? But all this, any politician would do. Maybe I stretch a little too further. That's by and large, any politician would do. This clicked because you were there. I wouldn't have been in this place talking to you as though we won this battle if not for you. So it's you. And we're not going to just stop here with this. Okay, we've done what should be done to get to that seat. Then we need to build it. You've seen the grassroots. This euphoria of Jagan should be converted into grassroots cadre. This should translate into you guiding the governance. If you're doing okay, if you're doing not good, where should we correct ourselves? And all these things would now start coming in. Our dream or vision would probably not, getting to this place is probably the first step. Now the most important challenge would be to repeat this victory in 2024. That is going to be the challenge. Once we do that, then we prove to the country that we are something different. That's where once again I've been meeting you.
ఈ వీడియో మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి. మరిన్ని ఇంట్రెస్టింగ్ వీడియోస్ చూడడానికి మా ఛానల్ కు తప్పక సబ్స్క్రైబ్ అవ్వండి.